You're looking at one Canadian. In a year when 400,000 were born, 500,000 started school, and even more started university. Now this little Canadian may seem, well, little. But to Royal Bank, he has a big future. A future his parents have started with our Young Savers account. True, we have 8 million other customers, but we got to be Canada's largest bank, one customer at a time.
Sports car has finally grown up. Introducing the Volvo 850 Sports Wagon.
It's a special time of year, a time for family, friends, and traditions. That's why Swiss Chalet is bringing back the Festive Special, a tradition of our very own. It's a plump quarter chicken with stuffing and all the trimmings, and a Toblerone bar. The Festive Special, now only $6.85, which goes to show that the holiday season really does bring out the best in all of us.
In 2 short years, how far can you take a family sedan? Over 3,000 punishing kilometers to twice win Rally Australia. And now we've pushed the Elantra even further in champion style and performance, whether it's outback or out front. Introducing the 1994 Hyundai Elantra. It's not your ordinary family sedan.
Hello, I'm Keith Morris, and apparently people don't understand teenagers as well as author Judy Blume does. Her books about teenagers are a favorite with teenagers. Her new one is called Here's to You, Rachel Robinson. We'll talk to her Monday.
You're looking at one Canadian. Like 12 million other Canadians, she works. Like 500,000, she also studies. And like 7 million, she's raising a family. To some, she may seem like any other Canadian. But to Royal Bank, she's an individual who receives her bank statements in Braille. True, we have 8 million other customers. But we got to be Canada's largest bank, one customer at a time.
Return to Lonesome Dove.
You're looking at one Canadian at a time when small businesses employ 40% of our workforce and create 85% of new jobs. His business isn't big, but his role in the economy is. That's why Royal Bank designed Cash Touch, a faster, easier phone banking system that helps small businesses like his. True, we have 8 million other customers, but we got to be Canada's largest bank, one customer at a time.
What kind of donation can we put you down for, Mr. Scrooge?
Nothing. Nothing but these.
Mr. Scrooge!
Canadian Tire has everything from Tonka trucks to Milton Bradley to Parker Brothers games. Look, Puppy and Kitty Surprise, just $30.99 each. And G.I. Joe headquarters only $39.99 after manufacturer's mail-in rebate.
So many gifts!
Time for my Monopoly game. I'm planning a leveraged buyout at Park Place.
Canadian Tire lets you give like Santa and save like Scrooge.
Not long ago, they learned about the review. They knew 6 other plants were after the assignment. They understood that to compete would require not just building a new product, but also setting a new standard for quality. Most of all, they believed in themselves. And today, Canadians build these cars for the entire world. The company is General Motors.
A hitman comes face to face with death.
His name is Matrix.
Now, he must devote his life to helping others.
It's time for it to stop.
His name is Matrix.
Matrix. CTV Saturday.
On the 93 Mazda truck. This offer does not include the use of Mazda employees when your brother-in-law moves. $1,500 on the exciting 323, which is one of my personal favorites, and the classic MX-6 Mist Air. Maybe that's my favorite. A $2,000 discount on Protege. This is a really good deal, as well as the smooth-handling 626 Chronos and the family-sized MPV. Immediate family-only second cousins not included, and a whopping $4,000 discount on the luxurious 929 Serenia. See our newspaper ad or your Mazda dealer for details.
Young man, have you seen this? Why, it's enough to put even me in the Christmas spirit.
What is it, sir? A newspaper?
Look at all these great gifts. And with Canadian Tire's guaranteed low prices, why, even I approve.
Is it a brochure?
No.
A magazine?
No. Here, have a look.
It's a flyer.
Look for the Canadian Tire Weekly Christmas Flyer. Canadian Tire lets you give like Santa and save like Scrooge.
Okay, these two guys walk into a bar. Ouch! A bar? Okay, no. New material. Get it?
An aircraft tragedy.
Who is covering up for who?
Why won't the nightmare go away?
Like, did they investigate at all?
CTV News, tonight, making your world make sense.
Jim, lift up your side a little.
There is a company that believes this may actually be man's best friend, after all. And while it's not surprising that this same company created the modern crash test dummy, it is somewhat more remarkable that shortly thereafter, they shared it with all their competitors. Then again, when it comes to safety, they've shared numerous, so everyone can ride a little safer. The company is General Motors.
When I've got a cold or flu, I just want to crawl into a warm pair of flannel pajamas, hide under a warm down comforter. I just want to wrap myself in warm.
That's why there's TYLENOL Cold and Flu Hot Liquid. Relieves more symptoms than any other hot liquid cold and flu formula. Plus the Tylenol name you've always trusted. So it helps relieve your cold and flu symptoms while it wraps you in soothing warmth. TYLENOL Cold and Flu. Effective relief for your cold and flu symptoms.
Everyone ready?
Hey, is that a Polaroid camera, Mr. Hinkle?
It sure is, Billy. It's my new Polaroid Captiva.
Looks cool. Can I have it?
No. Everyone smile and say Bunsen burner.
Cheese!
One more.
Where's the picture? I thought it was a Polaroid camera.
Yeah.
One more.
Then where's the picture?
Introducing the new Polaroid Captiva. It's sleek, it's stylish. Its pocket-sized pictures stay in a special compartment till you take them out, so you're free to shoot and shoot.
Is this some kind of joke?
One more.
The new Polaroid Captiva. The pictures stay in.
One more.
Batteries make great stocking stuffers.
Really? I would have thought they'd make it hard to put your stockings on.
Little winter boots.
This baby's not going to be able to wear everything you bought him.
Or her.
Or her.
Oh, Henry's, Glossette raisins, Reese's Pieces. Where do you put it all?
In the cupboard.
Oh.
The lowest price is a K-MART price.
During the cold season, moms are always on call. And they've learned from doctors and pharmacists that Robitussin DM is the way to treat coughs due to colds. For the whole family. Almost the whole family. Robitussin DM, recommended by doctors, pharmacists, and Dr. Mom.
For a second, I thought I was dead.
The Oscar goes to...
These people are alive inside.
22-year-old Andre Agassi is here.
Ooh, that accent, you're French, right?
Big event television on CTV.
Chevy announces a breakthrough.
Wow.
Introducing the '94 Chevy S-Series extended cab. So new from the inside out. Everything else is history.
Whoa! I have been thrown from one end of this bus to the other. I've seen all kinds of things. Stale granola bars, watery yogurt. Hey, I know the dilemma. You want something wholesome, kids want something awesome. Well, that's why JELL-O created new, ready-to-eat pudding snacks. You'll love JELL-O pudding snacks because they're made with skim milk. Kids, they'll just love them. So, remember,
there's always room for JELL-O.
It looks European. Yeah. Definitely European in style.
He hugs you. There's lots of room.
It's very inviting and comfortable.
Transversely mounted V6.
If I want to be by myself, I won't go upstairs and read. I will go for a drive. It would be a winding road, trees, mountains. There would have to be water.
I love the way this thing corners. Responses in this car are smooth. I could drive this car all day. You just made a dream come true.
Canadian skaters compete in the pirouetting competition in Hammer, Norway. Watch exclusive coverage of new routines as medal hopefuls prepare for the 1994 Olympic Winter Games. Big event skating, Saturday on CTV Sports. Return to Lonesome Dove now continues on the CTV Movie.